welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today we're going to be talking about orange and yellow shampoos. Alright, so I have some products from Fanola, and I'm going to give you guys a brief overview of the yellow shampoo versus the orange shampoo, which would be best for you, what they do, the effects. I'm going to show you before and afters on my hair, and I also have a discount code for you guys. So if you're interested in learning more about these products, then stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Alright, so I want to talk to you guys about my discount code. If you are interested in purchasing these products and you don't feel comfortable using my discount code, that's totally fine. I don't gain anything from it. It's just something to help you guys out. So with the code, it will give you 10% off your orders, but it has to be on salonguys.com. And it only applies to Fanola aftercare products, which is the shampoo, conditioners, masks, oils, etc. I will have like everything in the description box for you guys. The only product that is not aftercare are basically the colors and toners and volume developers. So basically anything else, you'll be able to save some money if you choose to purchase. And then if you guys are interested in the code, it is MEG10. So first I want to go over the No Yellow line. I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing this all over my Facebook feed whenever I'm scrolling through. I always see people using it on their hair and it looks amazing. And there's been a ton of videos on YouTube about the No Yellow line. So I was really excited when Fanola reached out to me to see if I was interested in a PR package. So before, when I first got these products back in December, I posted a whole haul video. I'll have that link down below and up above if you guys wanted to see it. I had really long hair and it was a lot lighter and it was like all blonde at the bottom. So I will show you guys some before and after pictures. I'm really lazy when it comes to my hair upkeep, so normally I let my hair get pretty brassy looking before I go to tone it to try to cancel it out. I'm not someone that can keep up with using a purple shampoo once a week, and it works fine for me. It's just whenever I notice my hair is looking kind of brassy, I will go in and correct it. So with the No Yellow shampoo, basically I use the shampoo and the mask. So I've left the yellow shampoo on for the recommended time, which is anywhere between 1 and 5 minutes, and then I followed up with the mask. So in previous experiences, I spoke on this in my haul video with Pravana, with Joico, with other purple shampoos that are supposed to tone your hair. I had the best success leaving it on my hair and really letting the hair like absorb the product. So what I did with this mask, because again with this, it's 3 to 5 minutes that they recommend you leave it on. I don't follow the rules. I leave it on for a lot longer. I leave it on for about, with the yellow shampoo, I left it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. Rinsed it, and then as you guys can see with the picture, my hair was like completely balanced, completely toned, and it was looking like I just got it done. So I highly recommend this if you guys have overall blonde hair or bleached hair. I think that this is a really great product. I actually prefer it over Pravana, and before, Pravana was like my favorite purple shampoo, and I really, truly love these products more than that. So next, I'm going to talk about the No Orange shampoo. So the No Orange is a blue pigment for toning orange hues in blonde hair, and also works great for blonde hair on darker levels, aka me. And then it also says, for platinum hair, it can leave an icy blue effect, but temporarily. So that's another thing. If you do leave these products on your hair a little bit too long, it could stain your hair, but it will wash out in like 3 washes. That was my experience with the Pravana, because I would leave it in so long. I noticed I would have streaks of like violet in my hair, which I personally liked. But normally after 2 to 3 washes, it would just go away. I didn't have issues with my hair turning purple from this. So basically this would work really great on my hair. When I got my hair cut, I wanted to tone it down. I didn't really want to touch up with my balayage ombre that I have going on. So my hairdresser just put in some natural lowlights, which I'm about a level 6, to really kind of tone down, because I wanted my hair to be a little bit darker but not completely brown. So I'm like really, again, happy with the No Orange shampoo. One thing that I want to touch on really fast is application of product. I can be pretty lazy. The first time that I used the No Yellow, I did use gloves, but the second time I did not, and my hands were stained a little bit, like faintly, for probably like 2 days before my hands were like normal color. So this is like extremely pigmented, so be careful with this. However, with the No Orange, I didn't really care last night when I did it because I was like, I'm not doing anything, but you guys can see I had like no stains on my hands. It easily washed off with soap while I was in the shower. So I was really pleasantly surprised that the No Orange didn't stain, and that is a great plus. And now we're gonna roll into a clip so you can see what my hair looks like before and after the use. All right, you guys, so my hair is a little bit on the greasy side. I didn't wash it yesterday, but I washed it the night before. So this is about a day and a half of hair. And I don't know what it is with my hair type, but because I haven't been like getting my hair color treated or like bleached or anything, my roots just like, they're just super greasy after like a day. But mainly when you're using these kinds of shampoos, you definitely want to start off with cleaner hair. So when I washed my hair, I didn't even condition it. I put 0 products in it. I just shampooed it with the cleansing shampoo. You can use the Suave shampoo. It's like less than $2 for a bottle. I love using that if I really want like my hair to have like that squeaky clean feeling. That shampoo is great for it. By the way, ignore stains on my shirt. This is like my makeup shirt, so powders and everything are always falling on it. But yeah, you want to start off with clean hair because in my experience, I can't personally speak for this brand because it's still new to me, but in my past experience with other brands, toning shampoos and like colored shampoos don't necessarily like do like a deep cleanse for your scalp. It's definitely more for just saturating the hair and lightening it up and toning it while, you know, you're in the shower. So I just wanted to let you guys see what my hair looks like. I'm in a mixture of natural and studio lighting. So I definitely wanted to wait to use this because I wanted to see how long it would take for my hair to get brassy from when I got it done in December. And then I just want to show you guys how much of a difference this No Orange shampoo is going to make. All right, you guys, so it is the next day. Before I style my hair, I just kind of want to show you what my hair looks like. I let it air dry last night. I put my normal leave-in conditioner in, and that's basically all that I did, and I used the conditioner after I washed the product out. So yesterday I used the No Orange shampoo, and they recommend that you leave this in for 1 to 5 minutes. I'm guessing mine was in for about 5 minutes, and then as soon as I rinsed, I went in with the No Orange mask. Again, this says to leave in 3 to 5 minutes, but I don't follow directions, so maybe with these products after that amount of time they're not going to do much to like help, so like leaving it on longer might be pointless. But basically, oh, my lash glue is still drying. Ignore that. Anyways, what I like to do, especially like with something like a mask, I'll just saturate my hair with it, put it up in a twisty towel, and then I'll get out of the shower for anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. And then when I go back and rinse, I find that I have like a lot more effective result. At least that's how the Fanola shampoo worked. So I just want to show you guys the tones of my hair. So it definitely has, it's a lot more ashy than what it was the other day. Hopefully you guys can see pretty well. Having like a pretty rainy day here, so I was a little bit frustrated with my lighting, but before I styled it, I just wanted to show you guys what my hair actually looks like and how I use the mask and the shampoo. So I just rinsed it, put in regular conditioner on the ends of my hair, and then sprayed in my regular leave-in conditioner, and this is what my hair looks like. It doesn't feel super dry or anything. It's Editing Meg here. I never finished off this thought. What I was going to say was that the Fanola shampoo definitely dried my hair out and made it feel hay-like for like days after using it, but the No Yellow and the No Orange did not leave my hair feeling dry whatsoever, which is absolutely amazing and what really sets this brand above others. So I'm gonna go style my hair and then I'll be back to wrap up the video. Okay, so the main difference between these shampoos is that the No Yellow is gonna work better on like bleached or platinum hair, and it's gonna give you that really icy blonde feeling. Whereas the No Orange is more for darker blondes, and it's gonna give you more of an ashy tone to your hair. So that's like the main difference. If I really wanted to brighten my hair up, I would go in with the No Yellow, and I'm sure it would lighten it up like right away. But I'm kind of digging like the darker, ashier tones, so I really like what the No Orange did for my hair. Alright, so I hope you guys found this helpful in deciding on which one is the right product for you and which one you might be interested in checking out. Again, don't forget to use code MEG10 at checkout for salonguys.com, link in the down bar. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you found it informative, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.